Gadget World for the best technical advice.
In this section, we are unboxing two very interesting devices. So right now with me, I have two devices by Titan. It's kind of looks similar in terms of box. So it comes in the same box, and apparently it does not have much branding or brand models written on it. But this is the Titan Track Triathlon, and this is the Titan Track Cardio. The Cardio retails for a price of 16,999 and this one retails for a price of 17,999. So I have with me one of the two premium devices that you can get in the market, and if you are confused about what this is a high performance fitness band. It's not a fitness band actually. It has ANT+ connectivity that you can connect it to ANT+ enabled devices and sensors, and these are high performance GPS and enabled performance gear. So without wasting much time, we'll go ahead and unbox this and let's see how it looks and whether it is worthy of the price that you spend. And it is unlike any other devices that you get in the market. This is kind of unique, and it is also by an Indian manufacturer. We are not really sure whether this is a rebranded Chinese product, but what Titan does is they get the best products from the other markets. They do some alterations on their own and they put the Titan stamp and sell it for a premium price. But we'll take a look at whether this device is actually worth the price that you pay. So let's go ahead and unbox this one first. So I have already removed the seal with my knife, and this is how the device looks like. This is the Titan Track Triathlon, and this is how the device looks like. And it looks kind of sturdy in the first opinion, but I'm not really sure whether it looks that premium for the price that you pay. It kind of looks like a 5,000 10,000 rupee normal smartwatch, and it does not come with a touch screen. It has physical buttons to it, which has tactile feedback, and you need to use it using those physical buttons. So this is how the device looks like, and in the first look it looks sturdy, and it has a kind of a rubberized finish which is comfortable, and it is also lightweight. So I'll keep it aside and let's take a look at what else is inside the box. So let me take off the cushion, and we have a kind of warranty card which is a different kind of a card. I think it's like a digital card which you can swipe or scan it, and does not have any it's a normal card where you can write the date and put in the seal on. So it does not have any digital or any chip inside it. It's a normal card, but instead of a cardboard card you get a plastic card. And then we have all the user manuals inside. So it comes with a pretty decent and a very well designed user manual. You need to have at least something like this, because when you are unboxing something like this, which is not very common these days, it is supposed to have a very detailed user manual for it. And let's see what is inside this box. So on the side I am seeing another box. Let me try to open it. So I have the charger cable attachment. So this is how the charger looks like. It has a charging magnetic dock, and it can be connected to a micro USB connector, and the quality looks kind of okay, not the best. So this is what you get, and it's a 130 milliamp hour. It's written 130 mAh. So that's about it. And Titan has claimed a battery life for 13 hours to it, which means that you might have to charge it every day, just like the Apple Watch, and you won't be getting like days or weeks of battery life like some of the Titan watches, like the Titan Connected X watch. So let me go ahead and try to switch on this device. So that is pretty much what is inside the box. We don't get anything else inside the box. So if you look at the charger, just like most of the other smart watches you see in the market, it has a magnetic attachment to it. So it snaps onto the watch, and you can connect the micro USB connector to it. And here interestingly it's written that it's designed in India. So it's a Titan product. I initially thought that it is a Chinese rebranded product, but they have specifically mentioned that it's designed in India, and surprisingly they have also mentioned that it is made in China. So it's like kind of similar to what Apple says, designed in California and made in People's Republic of China. Similar to that, Titan has kind of adopted that same phrase, and it's mentioned designed in India and made in China, and it also has a couple of sensors, additional sensors attached to it. So that's about it. And the physical features, we have 4 capable physical buttons and another additional button here. So let me keep it aside and take a look at the Titan Trax Cardio. So that is what we have in the next box here. So I'll keep this aside for the time being, and because this box looks similar, the price difference is almost 1000 rupees. So I am kind of curious to know what is inside this box. Okay, so we have a watch which is kind of similar to that. In the first looks is almost looks the same, only some of the colors are different, and this watch is switched on inside the box itself. So let me go ahead and see if anything else is inside this box. So we will get the same set of things. You get the additional warranty card, you get the user manual, and other than that you have the same charger and the magnetic charger cable adapter which gets attached to the device. So you have a pretty big box, and this is what all you get. So in terms of box design, Titan has kind of spent a lot of time and effort in designing this box to make it look premium, but the device, in my honest opinion, it doesn't look that premium. But we have switched on this device and you can see that it already has a few readings on it. You have the heart rate monitor which is live, and you have the date and time and other things, and you need to navigate through the menus by pressing on these buttons. So that is about it, and let me check. Okay, so basically you have 4 buttons here. The upper right button is the menu button, and you have the back button here on the upper right corner, and you have the start and stop button basically for all the activities that you, and the modes can be selected on the top left corner button. So if you move into the menu, you can move between activities. So let me see how I can, and it also have an option to connect devices. The one interesting thing is that you can connect ANT+ devices, and if you are not aware what ANT+ is all about, ANT+ is a kind of a protocol which is some kind of similar to Bluetooth. So the only thing is that if you have a Bluetooth enabled device or a phone, you will be able to connect only one device at a time, but this watch is capable of connecting multiple devices. Say let's say you already have a heart rate monitor attached to your chest, or you have some other pressure sensor monitor, or any ANT+ devices, you can instantly connect to it, and you can connect multiple devices at the same time. For that you need to go to the settings and choose the devices part, and here you have an option to choose the ANT+ option and select the other devices. So if you compare both these devices, one of the few things I noticed is that it also have some physical differences. So if you look at the bands and the strap, it comes with different designs. So this has a kind of a different design, not only like pattern, and it has a different pattern to it. And another thing is that it is kind of attached to the device itself, so you don't have an option to change it with metal bands or anything like that. And it is not waterproof also, that is also kind of a drawback. It is not IP68 certified waterproof, but still if you are very interested in fitness activities and you are a complete fitness enthusiast who wants something different which nobody else has, which can get connected to ANT+ devices, and you can keep a track of all your activity including bicycling or activity, and onto a whole different level, this could be the device for you. But if you are willing to pay a premium price of 17,999 or 16,999, we are not sure whether it is worthy of the price, and there are no similar products in the market as of now. So our final take on this watch is that if you are not an extreme fitness enthusiast, and if you are looking for something like a smartwatch which is a premium watch and which is durable and which also looks good, we won't actually recommend this device. There are plethora of options available in the market for this up to 10,000 rupees also. And if you are looking for a premium devices, you have the Apple Watch or the Garmin fitness bands. I think Titan is making use of their kind of a brand value and trying to introduce or force products into the market which at least a few people would buy. So we don't actually recommend this device, but if you are an extreme fitness enthusiast and you already have a few ANT+ sensors and devices at your home which you want to get connected to a smartwatch, then this could be the device for you. So that's about it in this episode of Gadget World. We'll be back with more gadgets in the next episode. So till then, bye bye.
Gadget World, for the best technical advice.